Hey developer, Fujitsu is hiring for the Data and AI Apprentice role and the work location is Pune. Talking about the required qualifications, B.Tech or MCA students can apply for this role and the preferred streams like computer science, IT, AI, data science or related students can apply for this role. 0 to 1 year of experience students can apply for this role, means freshers can also apply. 2025 and 26 batch is eligible. And talk about the required skills: Python, SQL, basic understanding of Python, database types, array list, dictionaries, more you can read, and data handling, familiarity with Panda and NumPy, data cleaning and transformation, and database knowledge. Soft skills also mentioned, and preferred skills good to have, like hands-on exposure to AML, Gen AI, Hugging Face means ML libraries, and cloud knowledge. So these are the required skills and qualifications. So end this video. Apply link below in the description. Hit a like button, do comment and subscribe skilllayer for more job updates.